Good morning, everyone. I am Vedanta Nanda, and for today's Math Hunt event, my co partner Samiksha Dikshit and I have prepared a PowerPoint presentation to map the mathematical concepts with the art, culture, and architecture of the second largest state, the heart of India, Madhya Pradesh. My talk today is divided into three main sections: amazing mathematical architecture, rich cave art, and cultural abundance. The first thing I'll share with you is the culture of Madhya Pradesh's very own Chitrakoot. In those times, not only directions but the time was calculated by the shadows created by sun. Indians have contributed significantly in the development of mathematics and its use in subject areas of astronomy and architecture. It is written in Hanuman Chalisa. Yug sahastra yojan par bhanu, lilyo tahi madhur fal janu. It means that Hanuman traveled a distance equal to Yug into Sahasra into Yojan to meet Bhanu, thinking it to be a sweet fruit. Now, the terms Yug, Sahasra, Yojan are the words which determine the distance between Earth and Sun. Now, when we multiply Yug, Sahasra, and Yojana, we get the exact distance of the Sun from the Earth. Now we'll talk about the architecture, which comprises of ancient temples, fortresses, and cave work, which reflect the rich history of Madhya Pradesh. One such example is Jahaz Mahal, situated between two artificial lakes. This two-storied architectural marvel is so named as it appears as a ship floating in water. The architecture of this beautiful monument floating on a lake was accomplished by the use of geometry, trigonometry, probability, and statistics. Let's check how. Geometry was used to determine shape, calculate perimeter, area, along with Pythagorean theorem to calculate the heights of buildings and length of walls. Trigonometry was used to calculate the roof slopes, light angles, height, width, etc. of the building. Since the foundation of a building relies heavily on trigonometry, therefore constructors use trigonometry to determine angles and volumes needed to cut and fill areas on ground in order to make it level and to ensure that it is built safely. Probability was used to calculate challenges or problems the construction team might run into, and statistics helps in gathering data from lots of sources. Lastly, we are going to discuss the cave art. The prehistoric paintings found in the rock shelters of Bhimbedka are a World Heritage Site in Madhya Pradesh. Mathematical concepts used in cave painting include the use of two-dimensional geometric shapes, lines, curves, etc. For example, some of these cave markings are quite suggestive of mathematical symbols. In the first case, we can clearly see a circle, numeral 1, half circle, quadrangle, spiral, and triangle. And in the second picture, we see hash, multiply sign, and line. So finally, let's finish up today's presentation, and I hope this covers all the mathematical concepts used in the art, culture, and architecture of Madhya Pradesh. Thank you.